Hi, my name's Jane Deal, and I'm here today with some products from Idaho Preferred, and we're going to make an appetizer. This is a mushroom bruschetta. So our first step is to make some toasted baguette slices. So we've got a baguette that we've sliced about 1/2 inch thick and put on a baking sheet. I'm now going to brush both sides of these with 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. Okay, and now we're going to put these in the oven for 5 minutes. Now we're on to step 2 of our mushroom bruschetta. We're going to make a mixture of cream cheese and some butter. We're using high desert butter today, which is another product from Idaho Preferred. So I've got cream cheese and butter in my bowl, and I'm just going to blend those together. I'm going to add a tablespoon of fresh chives. Fresh herbs are another thing you can find almost at every farmer's market. I'm going to fold those in, and then I'm just going to add a little salt, a couple pinches, and some freshly ground pepper. And that is the second step of our recipe. And now we're going to saute some mushrooms. This is kind of the starring role in this recipe. These are from Morning Dew. We've got lion's mane mushrooms, we've got piopinos, and we've got white elm oyster mushrooms. These are absolutely beautiful and fresh, and always look for these mushrooms at your farmer's market or on the Idaho Preferred website. We're going to come over here and saute those in some butter with some more fresh herbs. I've melted 3 tablespoons of that high desert butter, and I'm going to add in 1 shallot that we've minced. I'm going to saute that now for 1 to 2 minutes, just so it becomes translucent. And now we're going to add in those gorgeous mushrooms, and we're going to saute for about 4 to 5 minutes. So now our mushrooms are finished, and I'm going to add in these fresh herbs. I'm going to turn the heat off, and I'm going to add in a tablespoon of chopped tarragon and 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley. And now that we have the fresh herbs in, we're just going to season with a little salt and pepper. And we'll just mix those in, and our third component is done. Okay, I've had the baguettes in for 5 minutes. I'm going to take them out and turn them over, and we'll put them in for another 5. Our baguettes are done. I'm going to pull them out. And they got nice and golden brown. And we're going to put this appetizer together now. We're going to take our toasted baguette slices. We're going to take a little bit of this creamy butter cream cheese mixture, and then I'm going to spoon a little bit of our wild mushroom herb mixture. Don't those look gorgeous? Okay, I've got 1 more. And then I'm going to top these with some more fresh herbs. I've got some chives, some more parsley, and some tarragon, and I'm just going to rip those up and decorate the tops. Okay, so that's our beautiful appetizer, all with ingredients from Idaho Preferred. Don't forget to look up Idaho Preferred on Instagram and Facebook, and you can get this recipe.